Page 90. Unit 6.
Read and enjoy this poem. Mr. Nobody.
I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house.
There's no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody.
New words.
Quiet.
Mischief.
Everybody.
Agree.
Nobody. And enjoy this poem. Mr. Nobody.
I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house.
There's no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody.
New words.
Quiet.
Mischief.
Everybody.
Agree.
Nobody.
Page 91.
Reading is fun.
Who is Mr. Nobody?
Has anyone ever seen him?
Is there a Mr. Nobody in your house?
Let's talk.
Have you ever done something naughty?
What did you do?
What did you say?
Let's share.
Sometimes you want to look and find things for yourself. Tick right those that you did. Tell your friends.
Here you can see some pictures. In the first one, you can see a girl staring at a clock. I tried to see why the clock ticked.
And in the second picture, you can see a boy standing and gazing at the stars. I went out of the house at night to see the stars.
In the third one, you can see a girl climbing up a tree to see a nest with some eggs in it. I climbed a tree to look into a nest.
Here in the fourth picture, you can see a boy standing on a stool trying to grab some biscuits. I climb on a stool to find biscuits. Page 92.
Say aloud.
Say aloud and circle the rhyming words.
1. A mouse ran into the house.
2. I can see the little bee.
3. That was a fat cat.
4. Give me a handkerchief. Don't do any mischief.
Let's draw.
Make groups of 5 children each. Each group takes a big chart paper.
Each group draws a Mr. Nobody.
The first child draws Mr. Nobody's head.
The second child draws his clothes.
The third child draws the arms.
The fourth child draws his legs.
The fifth child draws Mr. Nobody's hair.
Look at Mr. Nobody. Isn't he a funny man? Color him.
Page 93.
Let's write.
1. Fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U, H, E, dash, D,
Dash R M S.
L, dash, G, S,
D R dash S S.
H, dash, dash, R.
2. Add no, some and every to the word body to make new words. Dash body.
Dash, body, and so on.
3. Seema wrote her father's name like this. Mr. Dinesh Dikshit.
Ram wrote his mother's name like this. Mrs. Sneha Ramdas.
Write your father's name as Seema did.
Here is a column given below to write your father's name.
Write your mother's name as Ram did.
Here is a space given below to write your mother's name. Here are 2 spaces given below to write the names you know. Page 94.
The zigzag boy.
I know a little zigzag boy who goes this way and that.
He never knows just where he puts his coat or shoes or hat.
If you're not a zigzag child, you'll have no cause to say
that you forgot, for you will know where things are put away.
Can you make zigzag lines? See how the zigzag boy runs. Page 95.
Let's practice.
Here are some words given below with dotted lines. Connect the dots to complete the words.
Quiet.
Agree.
Mouse.
Break.
Plate.
Zigzag. Page 54.